Color panoramas are frequently used for modeling and rendering complex real-world scenes. Panoramas can be acquired quickly with simple hardware and produce photorealistic images of a scene at interactive rates. However, the panoramas have a fundamental limitation of not allowing viewpoint translation. We introduced depth-enhanced panoramas that share the advantages of regular color panoramas and allow viewpoint translation. The depth-enhanced panorama of a room shown here consists of 300,000 texture-mapped triangles. The room was modeled interactively in 30 minutes with a $3,000 acquisition device. The acquisition device consists of a video camera and a laser system that casts a 7x7 ray pattern in the camera's field of view. The bright laser dots are detected in a video frame and their 3D position is triangulated. The operator sweeps the scene by panning and tilting the camera about its center of projection using a parallax-free bracket. The evolving model is rendered in real time on a nearby monitor. The operator relies on an immediate feedback to guide the modeling process. The depth-enhanced panorama is built in real time by triangulating and texturing the accumulated depth samples. The depth-enhanced panorama allows translating the viewpoint and gives a sense of overall shape of complex objects, such as a plant with many small leaves. We have developed a robust real-time stitching algorithm for registering the same center of projection frames. In the rare occasions that registration fails, the immediate feedback allows the operator to resume modeling from the last successfully registered frame. The operator can halt acquisition at any time and explore the model interactively. In order to increase the range of viewpoint translations, a scene is modeled with several depth-enhanced panoramas. We have developed a real-time splatting algorithm which allows visualizing the missing surfaces and combining two or more depth-enhanced panoramas. Here, a second depth-enhanced panorama is captured from a different viewpoint. A higher quality visualization of a scene is obtained if the triangle meshes of multiple depth-enhanced panoramas are combined. A naive approach of z-buffering together all the triangle meshes yields poor results, since the better samples are often occluded by worse samples. We first identify the poorly sampled regions, here shown in red. Then, we render the triangle meshes together and choose for each pixel the best available sample using a GPU-executed fragment program. Here is another example. If the scene is rendered with a single depth-enhanced panorama, the quality decreases considerably as the view translates far away from the acquisition view. Several depth-enhanced panoramas cannot be simply rendered on top of each other. Good results are obtained using our per-pixel merging algorithm. We have presented depth-enhanced panoramas, a fast, inexpensive, yet powerful modeling technique for complex scenes. We will continue to develop depth-enhanced panoramas to further reduce the gap between modeling methods that have low time and equipment costs and modeling methods that generate high-precision models.